Hello everyone. Welcome to Computational Methods in Engineering class. I am Virakesh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. In this session, I am going to explain Jacobi's iteration method. Let us consider the equations a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1. Second equation a2x plus b2y plus C2Z equal to D2. Third equation A3X plus B3Y plus C3Z equal to D3. Let us assume these are the equations 1. Uh, s- Let us see the equations. Here, if A1, this A1, B2, C3 are large as compared to the other coefficients, that means here a1 greater than b1 and c1. In second equation a b2 greater than a2 and c2. Here c3 greater than a3 and b3. In this case you can solve for the x y z respectively. Then the system can be written as from this first equation you can write x equal to 1 by a1 into d1 minus b1y minus c1z. From second equation you can write y equal to 1 by b2 into d2 minus a2x minus c2z. From equation 3 you can write z equal to 1 by c3 into d3 minus a3x minus b3y. Let us let us start with the initial approximation, that means x naught comma y naught comma z naught for the values of x, y, z respectively. Substituting this, that means x naught, y naught, z on the right sides of the equation 2. Let us assume these are the equations 2. The first approximations are given by x1 equal to x1 equal to 1 by a1 into d1 minus b1 y naught minus c1 z naught. Similarly, y1 equal to 1 by b2 into d2 minus a2 x naught minus c2 z naught. Next third one, z1 equal to 1 by c3 into d3 minus a3 x naught minus b3 y naught. Substituting the values, that means x1, y1, z1 on the right side of the equation 2, you can get the second approximation, that is x2 equal to 1 by a1 into d1 minus b1 y1 minus c1 z1. Similarly, y2 equal to 1 by b2 into d2 minus a2 x1 minus c2 z1. z2 equal to 1 by c3 into d3 minus a3 x1 minus b3 y1. This process is repeated till the difference between two consecutive approximations are negligible. Here, the main observation is in the absence of any better estimates for x naught, y naught, z naught, this may each be taken as zero. So initially you can assume x naught equal to y naught equal to z naught equal to 0. Let us see the one problem on Jacobi's iteration method. Solved by Jacobi's iteration method, the equations are 2x plus y minus 2z equal to 17, 3x plus 2y minus z equal to minus 18, 2x minus 3y plus 20z equal 25. We write the given equation in the form of xyz, that is x equal to 1 by see here, this is the 20x minus 20x plus y minus 2z equals 17. X equal to 1 by 20 into 17 minus y plus 2z. Second equation, y equal to 1 by 20 into minus 18 minus 3x plus z. Third one, z equal to 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2x plus 3y. Just you can observe these three equations. Here a1 20 greater than b1 1 and c1 minus 2. Here b2 20 greater than a2 3 and c2 minus 1. Here 20, that means c3 20 greater than a3 2 and b3 minus 3. Uh, we start from an approximations, that is x naught equal to y naught equal to z naught equal to 0. See here, this is the equation 1. Now substitute x initial approximation, that is x naught, y naught, z naught equals 0 in the equation 1. We get x equal to 1 by 20 into 17 minus 0 plus 2 into 0, that is 17 by 20, 0.85. Similarly, y equal to 1 by 20 into minus 18 minus 3 into 0 plus 0 equal to minus 18 by 20. The value is minus 0.9. Z equal to 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0, that equal to 25 by 20, that is 1.25. This is the first iteration. Next, putting these values, that is x equals 0.85, y equal minus 0.9, z equal 1.25 in equation 1, we get second iteration. Next, second iteration, that is x1 equal to 1 by 20 into 17 minus y1 means 0.9 plus 2 into z is 1.25. This value is just you can assume this is the x2, this is the x1, y1, z1. This value is 1.02. Next y2 equal to 1 by 20 into minus 18 minus 3 into x means 0.85 plus z1 is 1.25. This value is minus 0.965. Next z2 equal to 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2 into 1.02 plus 3 into y1 means minus 0.9. This value is 1.03. Uh, Now substituting this x2, y2, z2 in the equation 1, you can get x3, y3, z3. So next third iteration, third iteration, x3 equal to 1 by 20 into 17 minus y2 means minus 0.965 plus 2 into z2, that is 1.03. This value is 1.00125. Next y3 equal to 1 by 20 into minus 18 minus 3x, minus 3 into x2 means 1.02 plus 2z, uh, plus z means 1.03. This value is minus 1.0015. Next z3 equal to 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2 into x2, that is 1.02 plus 3y. 3 into y2 means minus 0.965. This value is 1.00325. Uh, Now substituting this x3, y3, z3 in the equation 1, you can get x4, y4, z4. Fourth iteration, fourth iteration, x4 equal to 1 by 20 into 17 minus y3 means minus 1.0015 plus 2z3, that means Z3 is 1.00325. This value is 1.0004. Next, y4 equal to 1 by 20 into minus 18 minus 3 into x3 means 1.00125 plus z3. Z3 means 1.00325. This value is minus 1.00025. Four zeros, 25. Next, Z4 equal to 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2 into x3. X3 value is 1.00125 uh, plus 3y3. 3y3 means 3y3 value is y3 minus 0.0015. This value is 0.9965. Now putting these values x4, y4, z4 in the equation 1, we get fifth iteration, that is x5, y5, z5. Next, fifth iteration, fifth iteration, x5 equal to 1 by 20 into minus 17 minus y4. Y4 means minus 1.40 25 plus 2 into z4. Z4 value is 0.9965. This value is 0.492346. Next, y5 equal to 1 by 20 into minus 18 minus 3 x4. X4 is 1.0304 plus 2z 2z4. No, no, z4. Z4 means 0.9965. This value is minus 1.4 zeros 23478. Next, y6 equal to 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2 into x4, that is 1.0304 plus 3 y4. Y4 means minus 1.4025. That value is 0.493456. Now again substituting these x5, y5, this is z5, x5, y5, z5 in equation 1, we get sixth iteration. Sixth iteration, sixth iteration, that is x6 equal to 1 by 20 minus 17 y5. Y5 value is minus 1.4078 plus 2 Z5. Z5 value is 0.994956. This value is 1.40. Next, y6 equal to 1 by 20 into minus 18 minus 3 x5. X5 value is 0.4966 plus z5 value is 0.4956. That value is minus 0.592345 z6 equal to 1 by 20 into 25 minus 2 x5. X5 value is x5 0.4966 plus 3 y5. Y5 value is minus 1.4078. This value is 0.592. Uh, the values in the uh, fifth iteration and sixth iteration being practically the same. Let us see this x6, x5 and x6, y5 and y6, z5 and z6 approximately equal. So we can stop here. Hence the solutions is x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1. This is the answer for the given equations. X equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.